maraming salamat po sa inyo. Wine-welcome ko kayong lahat. Mag-enjoy po tayo, kumain, magpakasaya, mamaya party! Welcome po sa inyo lahat! Party! Thank you so much, dear God, for bringing us together today. Thank you for the friendship. Thank you for bridging the gap of time and distance. Sana po ay matapos ang reunion na ito nang meron kaming fulfillment sa aming mga puso at nagkaroon kami ng love na maibibigay sa bawat isa.
Thank you, Batch 87 for the memory. Happy 37th anniversary of Bat 87.
My sincerest thanks for your invitation and with the memories we had in the previous years.
Good luck and be happy. Enjoy. Be grateful because we are remembered by Batch 87. Aiyak ako pa.
I got a feeling it might be a fight. Yeah, I can see it when I close my eyes. I wanna touch it, feel it. I wanna taste it, reach it. I won't stop 'cause I don't know how.
Po sa inyo lahat, maraming salamat. Pinagbigyan niyo ako na magkita-kita tayong lahat muli. Sa mga teachers natin,
Thank you, Batch 87! We love you!
We're gonna keep on moving. Keep on. There's nothing to do. Keep moving.
Thank you for inviting us here at naalala niyo pa kami mga teachers nyo nung high school. Okay? Hope to see you again. Thank you.
I wanna touch it, feel it. I wanna taste it, reach it. I won't stop 'cause I don't know how. I was made for this.
Thank you, Batch 87, for having us here. We are very happy that we will be able to see us again, to see each other again after 37 years. Thank you very much.
kapag si Roland ang naging president sa susunod na reunion, magbibigay siya ng 120,000 pesos!
Nobody said that it would be easy. I grit my teeth, keep on believing. Nobody said that it would be easy. I grit my teeth and keep on believing.
maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng tumulong para maging successful itong reunion natin.
Oh, keep moving, keep on, keep on, keep on, keep on moving, keep on, keep on, keep on. There's nothing to it. Keep on, keep on, keep on, keep moving.
Thank you sa 30,000 na planchado.
After po ng 40. May another 50 mil na planchado!
Keep on, keep on, keep on, keep moving. Oh, keep moving, keep on, keep on, keep on, keep on moving, keep on, keep on, keep on. There's nothing to it. Keep on, keep on, keep on.
Ang nanalo ng 3 electric bikes,
'Cause